The best vitamin for your nerves. If you feel a tingling, burning, stabbing or shooting pain in the feet or hands, then you may be suffering with the type of nerve damage. The nerves in your body carry electrical signals from your brain and spinal cord through your nervous system. Sometimes these nerves become damaged, which often causes a sharp shooting pain, especially in the toes or hands. In more severe cases, you may notice numbness, a loss of balance, or muscle weakness. This type of nerve damage is called peripheral neuropathy and can be reversed and treated by loading up on B vitamins. In today's video, we will be exploring the benefits of B vitamins to heal your nerves naturally. You will also learn about what caused the nerve damage and the best foods and supplements to heal the nerves. B vitamins, what are they? There are 8 essential B vitamins which all play an important role in supporting your nerve health and protecting the nervous system. B vitamins are found in a variety of different foods and are essential for controlling nerve impulses, supporting brain function, cell metabolism, energy production, and much more. When you do not have enough B vitamins in your body, the blood supply to your nerves dries up, leading to nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy, and shooting pains or numbness in the feet and hands. Vitamin B12, for example, has been found to protect the myelin sheath, a protective layer which surrounds your nerve cells. This helps to protect against nerve damage. Why am I deficient in B vitamins? Over 40% of people in the US are deficient in vitamin B12 as well as other B vitamins such as B1, B6, etc. The most common cause of the deficiency is eating too many refined grains, sugar, white rice, soda drinks or corn products. These foods deplete your B vitamins because they are harder to break down and turn into energy. B vitamins deficiency can also be caused by a hormonal imbalance, injury to your spinal cord, long-term stress, or as a complication of diabetes and high blood sugar. Low stomach acid. Another common cause of a B vitamin deficiency is low stomach acid. If you suffer with acid reflux, heartburn, gas, or excessive burping, then you may have low stomach acid. The stomach acid should be very acidic at a pH of between 1 and 3 in order to break down your food and absorb important vitamins and minerals. As we get older, our stomach acid tends to become weaker, which prevents us from absorbing enough B vitamins from our food. How to absorb more B vitamins? There are 3 key steps that you can take to get more B vitamins into your body to help reverse nerve damage and heal neuropathy. 1. Stop consuming antacid medications, as these neutralize your important stomach acid. Instead, consume apple cider vinegar capsules and digestive enzymes before each meal. These are natural and restore your digestion, heal acid reflux and GERD. They will also restore your pH balance in the stomach so that you can absorb more B vitamins. 2. Consume foods rich in B vitamins every single day. Consume at least 2 tablespoons of unfortified nutritional yeast daily, as this is the best source of the B complex. Also eat shellfish soaked in vinegar such as mussels, clams, shrimp, oysters and lobster. These are all loaded with B12 and other minerals which work with the B vitamins in your body. You can also get high quality B vitamins from beef liver, eggs and grass-fed cheese. 3. Reduce refined foods from your diet. Flour-based foods like bread, cereal, biscuits and pastries deplete your B vitamins. You should also cut out both diet and full sugar soda drinks and alcohol, as these deplete your B vitamins. By following these 3 key steps, your body will soon begin to digest and absorb more B vitamins naturally from foods that you eat. Soon you will notice improvements as your nerve cells begin to heal and regenerate because you have been supplying them with the nutrients that they need. Shooting pains in the toes, burning and numbness will diminish. You will also feel calmer and more relaxed and have better concentration levels as B vitamins improve communication between your brain cells and the rest of your body. Water soluble. B vitamins are water-soluble nutrients, meaning that your body cannot store them for very long, compared to fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E or A. This means that you have to keep consuming B vitamins regularly to support your nervous system health. Not getting enough or absorbing enough B vitamins for only a few weeks can cause a deficiency, leading to pain and inflammation in your nerve cells. Because B vitamins are water-soluble, they can also be lost in cooking water, so we recommend stir-frying or roasting your foods instead of boiling them. Supplements to heal your nerves. Now we will take a look at the 3 important supplements that you can take to quickly heal the nerves at a faster rate. 1. Benfotiamine. To reverse the damage to your nerves caused by high blood sugars and junk foods, consume benfotiamine as a dietary supplement each day. This is a fat-soluble version of vitamin B1 which penetrates deep into your nerve cells through the outer sheath in order to heal them from within. 2. Nutritional yeast. It is essential to consume at least 2 tablespoons of unfortified nutritional yeast each day to load up on the natural B vitamin complex. Nutritional yeast works alongside other supplements to supply almost the entire vitamin B complex. These all work together to restore your nerve cells, reduce pain, swelling, inflammation and damage. They also help to reverse neurological damage and reverse diabetes. 3. Methylcobalamin. Take methylcobalamin, the best form of vitamin B12 supplement available. This helps your body to build healthy red blood cells and supply your nerves with oxygen and nutrients. It helps to build the protective myelin sheath around your nerves and can be used to treat depression and mood disorders. These supplements all work together to quickly stimulate regeneration of the nerve cells. You must remember, however, that taking supplements are not a magic pill. It is vital to fix your diet and strengthen your stomach to support a healthy body. You can also purchase a B-complex supplement. However, these usually contain synthetic B vitamins that are poorly absorbed and can have side effects, so stick with the types that we have mentioned today. Recommended daily intake. Here you can see a list of the recommended daily intake for B vitamins. Try to meet these requirements every single day to heal your nerve cells. If you were worried about consuming too many natural B vitamins, you need not be concerned as these are water soluble. The body can flush out any excess through your urine. Pregnant women and those over the age of 50 need significantly more B vitamins to support their bodies. Pregnant women in particular need more B vitamins to support the growth and development of their child's nervous system within the womb and also support their own body. Also, if you have cancer, diabetes or kidney disease, then you most definitely will need to take higher amounts of nutritional yeast to load up on B vitamins. Vegans and those on a plant-based diet tend to be deficient in vitamin B12 because this is found mostly in animal products such as dairy, eggs, meat and fish. Summary: B vitamins are absolutely essential to support your sensory nerves, motor nerves and autonomic nervous system. Getting more of these into your diet and absorbing them properly can help to reverse nerve damage caused by diabetes, high blood sugar, junk foods and spinal injuries. Daily supplementation of B vitamins can soon fix pain, throbbing, burning and numbness in your hands and feet as they treat the underlying cause. To learn more about the specific B vitamins in more depth and detail, please see a link to our important nutrients playlist below the video. Thank you very much for listening, a like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.